Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's video, we'll be solving this electricity question of 2019 and October-November. So let's start with it. A box containing two electric components is connected into circuit. A variable resistor is adjusted and measurements are taken to determine the IV characteristics. So we have a circuit here and we have an ammeter along with a voltmeter and there is a variable resistor. This is box, this is battery. Here he is saying that which arrangement of two electric components in the box would create the best fit to measure the IV characteristics. Right. So what we need to do in this question is to analyze this graph. First of all, as you can see that there is negative reading going on, or as you can say that there is a backward or a negative reading, right? Because the reading for voltage is going upwards while the current is zero, right? So, second thing is that the current is flowing in one direction only, right? Because there is no current flowing here. The current is flowing in this direction. So what we can say that this thing appears to be a forward bias. And we know a thing or a device which is forward biased is known as diode. So in C we have a semiconductor diode in D as well. Another thing is that there is no fixed resistor, right? So A and B are incorrect option, but there is variable resistor. In these two options, it is written as fixed, which is incorrect. Secondly, whenever we have graph which is bending towards voltage, whenever we learn this thing, whenever we have a graph which is bending towards voltage, is always a graph for filament length, right? So we have a filament length as well. So the debate continues because we need to tell if it is a parallel or a series. So to get there, we need to understand one thing. Let me just remove this. If this thing was in parallel, the current would not be zero, right? But here the current is zero. For the negative reading of voltage, the current is zero. In parallel, the current would be flowing like this or like this as well, right? But here, this is not the case. So, the first symptom of being series but not parallel. Second reason for series is the current is traveling in a single loop because of diode. Diode is forward biased, so it is throwing or sending the current in one direction only, right? In a single loop. That becomes another reason this whole thing is in series. First reason, second reason. That's how our correct answer will be D, but not C, right? So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.